Hi guys, good morning sa inyo. Ayan guys, gusto ko naman ma-meet nyo ang aking 2022 GMC Yukon. Guys, baby ko to. Silipin natin ng konti, okay? Let's go! Ayan guys, ang kanyang interior. Aking baby boy. And guys, naka-sunroof din yan. Stig. Diba guys? Pogi din, diba? Ang aking baby boy. Ayan nga guys, yung kanyang exterior. Wow na wow. Poging pogi, diba guys? Mine nyo na. Mine, GMC Yukon. And guys, what you see is what you get. Joke lang guys. My baby boy. Alright.